Welcome to your free video lesson from TeachUComp Incorporated. Be sure to check out your exclusive discount offer at the end of your free lesson.
Macros are small programs that record your keystrokes as you perform a task and then save the actions you performed as a Visual Basic module, a type of program file. When you run the macro later, it will repeat your keystrokes, thus repeating your actions. This is why they're great for automating repetitive tasks. For example, if you wanted to create a macro that would place your company's name and address information in the upper left corner of a document, you could record a macro as you entered that information once, and then run the recorded macro to do it again in the future. It would repeat the exact same keystrokes that you entered, effectively replicating the process instantaneously. While you can see advanced options for creating macros on the Developer tab in the ribbon if it is enabled, you can also use the Macros group on the View tab in the ribbon to record and play back basic macros. In this lesson, we'll examine how to record a basic macro using the commands found within this group in the ribbon. To begin to record a macro, you can click the Macros button in the Macros group on the View tab in the ribbon, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select the Record Macro command. This will open the Record Macro dialog box. In this dialog box, enter a name for your new macro in the macro name text box. Note that macro names cannot contain spaces. Next, select the template or document to which you would like to attach the macro from the Store Macro In drop-down. It will default to the normal macro-compatible document template, which is the document template that new macro-enabled documents are based upon. A macro can only work if it is attached to the actual document in which it will be used, or if it is attached to the document template from which the current document was produced. So if the macro is one that you would want for all documents that use macros, then selecting the All Documents Normal.dotm template choice is a good idea. Otherwise, just select the template or file to which you will attach the macro. Then click the OK button to start recording. While recording your macro, you cannot use your mouse very much, and you should minimize your mouse movements during the recording of the macro. Instead, try to use the keyboard as much as possible. Now, once you've finished recording your macro, just click the Macros button in the Macros group on the View tab in the ribbon, and then select the Stop Recording command in order to stop recording the macro. Also, if necessary, you can choose the Pause Recording command from the button's drop-down menu to pause the macro while you're recording. You can then click the Macro button and select the Resume Recorder command in order to resume recording the macro when you're ready to continue.
Thank you. We hope you enjoyed your free video lesson from TeachUComp Incorporated. Like what you see? Pick up your copy of our complete tutorial today and be sure to visit us at www.teachucomp.com/YouTube for your special bonus offer. Our complete tutorial featuring introductory through advanced material is available on CD-ROM or digital download. You will receive our high-quality video lessons plus printable instruction manuals in one easy-to-use training package. With over 24 titles to choose from, you'll be sure to find the training you need in Microsoft Office, QuickBooks, Photoshop, and much more. Visit us today.